What's up guys, happy Chinese New Year, and since it's a brand new year in 2019, we thought it'd be awesome to show you guys a brand new desk setup. Welcome to the PC Gaming Dream Desk MOBHouse edition. For this setup, we're going with edgy and contemporary aesthetics in a neutral color scheme embellished with RGB goodness. Full disclosure, this video is brought to you by Aorus. They've just released some really cool products that will provide you with a complete PC gaming ecosystem, and we're gonna check those out. But first, let's take a look at the desk and chair. This is an EKBACKEN countertop from Ikea in a unique concrete textured finish. It comes with 2 additional strips so you can cut your table to size. Also, being a kitchen countertop, it should be able to take a beating during intense gaming sessions. To support it, we picked 4 OLOV table legs that are adjustable in height, so you can choose how you want to sit when you game. Just for kicks, we're going with a black Franklin bar stool to elevate your game. Of course, feel free to go for a gaming chair if you're more mainstream. For lighting, we went for a DIY industrial table lamp, so check out our tutorial video if you want to make one for yourself. This is a really cool lamp. The GI pipes are painted black with bold red accents on the valve, and the LED Edison bulb gives off a warm yellow glow, tying the lamp perfectly to the brick wall behind us. For the display or monitor, what we have here is the brand new Aorus AD27QD. This is a 27-inch 144Hz gaming monitor with a 1440p 10-bit or 8-bit plus FRC IPS panel and a 1 millisecond MPRT response time. It sports a very futuristic and sleek design straight out of a sci-fi movie with customizable RGB lighting at the back. The build quality is pretty great, with a plastic chassis and metal stand. In terms of ergonomics, you can tilt it up to 21 degrees up, 5 degrees down, swivel it up to 20 degrees on both sides, and adjust the height up to 130 millimeters. You can even pivot it up to 90 degrees into portrait mode. Aorus has packed in some really cool gaming features, so let us know in the comment section below if you want to see a full review on this monitor. Next, let's talk about audio. For speakers, we chose the very peculiar looking Kef EGG in a piano black finish. These are active Bluetooth speakers that boast a pretty balanced sound signature, with tight lows, articulate mids and highs, but you should definitely hook up a subwoofer if you want a little more kick in the bass department. Now, what makes the EGG unique is the proprietary UniQ drivers that improve off-axis stereo imaging, so you're not limited to a central sweet spot like with most speakers. Of course, if you are a competitive gamer, you're going to need a proper set of headphones like this pair of Aorus H5 gaming headphones. While these are definitely not made for audiophiles, they are purpose-built for gaming with a detachable and bendable microphone and inline sound controls. You have the option of using the USB 2 connector as well as 3.5mm jacks for mic and audio. They are also pretty comfortable to wear for longer sessions with cushioned ear pads and a soft headband. For those who are RGB fans, there's even customizable LED on the ear cups. Moving on to peripherals, Aorus sent over their K9 optical keyboard, M3 gaming mouse, and P7 mousepad, all equipped with customizable RGB lighting. The K9 keyboard has a simple matte black finish and a braided cable. It is also splash-proof and comes with flare-tech optical switches. Aorus has included some spare switches as well as several orange keycaps and a keycap puller. The M3 gaming mouse also has a matte black finish with an illuminated Aorus logo on the palm rest and rubberized grips on both sides. It comes with Omron switches and on-the-fly DPI settings up to 6400 DPI on a PixArt 3988 sensor with an indicator on the left side. To sweeten things up, we're using the P7 mousepad to add some accent RGB lighting. Finally, let's check out the brain of the setup, the PC. This is a complete Aorus system with top-of-the-line specs for gaming. For the processor, we're going with the Intel Core i7-8700K, which is cooled with the beefy Aorus ATC700 air cooler. For the motherboard, we're using the Z390 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi motherboard. For memory, we're using the Aorus RGB DDR4 RAM rated at 3200 MHz. These are 2x8GB dual channel kits with 2 dummy sticks, which adds up to 16GB of RAM. For the GPU, we're using the flagship Aorus Geforce RTX 2080 Ti Xtreme with 11GB of GDDR6 and up to 7 video outputs. For the power supply, we're using the non-modular Gigabyte P60B 80+ bronze power supply. If you're feeling fancier, Aorus also makes the AP850GM, which is a fully modular power supply rated at 80+ gold. For storage, we're rocking the 2.5-inch Gigabyte 240GB of SATA SSD. And finally, for the case, we're using the Aorus AC300W with a transparent acrylic side panel window where you can show off all your PC components. The beauty of this entire Aorus ecosystem is that everything you see here can be synced with Gigabyte's RGB Fusion software for a cohesive and complete RGB lighting solution. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool for changing up the ambience from time to time, and the fact that you can turn everything off with just a few clicks doesn't hurt either. So I guess that's it. If you thought this video was awesome, please give us a like and subscribe. Leave us a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this one about dream desk setup and whatnot, and we'll try our best to make more of those for you guys. And purchase links can be found in the description below as usual, and we'll see you in the next one.